love talking on the phone. But hey, I just can't wait to have you home. Oh, I'm alright for now, but I need you around. Hey, we both know that this is right.
Jamie, my beautiful mountain mermaid. I can't believe today's finally come, standing with you right here, right now.
Oh, I'm alright for now, but I need you around.
Sometimes I think back to those first few times of seeing you from afar at those conferences, noticing and wondering, then finally meeting you in that impossibly natural process of getting to know each other and the knowing feeling, as if your handprint had already been on my heart and the fit was undeniable. There's a reason I use hand gestures to describe the feelings. There really are no words for them. With you, I feel seen, I feel accepted, I feel home. I promise to work to bring my truest self to our relationship and never ask you to be anything other than who you are. I promise that I will always work to be patient. I promise to both keep things playful and keep things real. I promise to always be there, to always show up for you, today, tomorrow, forever. And of course, I promise to always make sure you have good coffee. Jamie, I cannot imagine doing life without you, and I cannot wait to explore this next chapter in our lives. Thank you for being you, and thank you for choosing me. I love you.
But hey, I just can't wait to have you home. Oh, I'm alright for now.
I found it curious and impressively insane how quickly some of my most sacred and selective words fit so effortlessly and comfortably on you. Love being one of them. The word fell out of my mouth after just a mere couple of weeks, despite my prefrontal cortex putting up a pretty good fight with my ever-knowing soul in its efforts to avoid revealing too much too soon. I knew it in that moment and many before, and I promise I'll love you for endless more, and to love you differently and new with each evolving life phase ahead. Partner, a word that my soul could never give to anyone else because it was never true. So effortlessly, you became my best friend, deepest love, my partner. Every current of trust in me synced with yours. It was a still and energetic knowingness that you were it and we were us. You were never just my boyfriend, never just my fiance. You'll never just be my husband. You offer me refuge, protection, comfort. You're the space where I can find and be me. I know you're my home because you're the place that my soul intuitively wants to return to. You'll always be the home that I return to, and I promise to always be the one that you can also return home to.
I'm gonna love you till the end of time, because a love like ours is hard.